I started cooking
when I woke up.
of course, a long time ago as a kid, just cooking in general. I've always loved cooking. It's kind of like my quiet space. Like a lot of people being in the kitchen, man, watching your moms, your grandmother cooking, learning how to operate in the kitchen. As a teenager, man, we cooked a lot. We were latchkey kids, I guess. You know, moms and pops was gone to work and we at home. So me and my guys, man, we would fire up the grill, doing all kind of crazy stuff. Remember, man, back in the day, we used to go out and party and hang out a lot, man, and everybody come back to my crib, man. I'd be cooking breakfast for everybody. We up till 4, 5 o'clock in the morning cooking.
Let's get it.
With a lot of different cooking methods.
Lay it with the results.
As I got older, man, I had a child, you know, having to cook for my kids, cook for myself. So that's kind of how I got started cooking. I've always loved cooking. It's kind of like my quiet space, my quiet time, man. I turn my music on.
Just be me, be free.
Get in the kitchen, man, and just get to
lay it with the results.
You know, chefing stuff up. I like to try new recipes. I like to try cooking a lot of different things, a lot of different ways. I got so much cooking equipment just at the house, not to mention my food truck. So, you know, starting off early like a lot of people did, man. Cooking, just trying to figure out new stuff, new ways to do things. And again, like I said, cooking is one of my passions. I have a lot of different passions, but cooking has kind of always been there for me, to smile on people's faces and while they eating the, you know, the food I've cooked. You get a lot of quiet moments, people, you know, that's kind of how I started cooking. Been a good ride. I still, even to this day, man, I still try new things, new recipes from all around the world. I love African cuisine. I love Jamaican food. I also love American food because that's where I'm at, you know. I'm a big burger guy. I love burgers. I'll take a bite of that. Burgers all day, every day. So that's kind of how I got to cooking. More so I started with barbecue.
Grillster is about to flip his first patty.
With barbecue. That was kind of the easiest thing to do at the time when we were young and even coming up, getting on that grill, man, getting that smoke going. So that's kind of how I got started cooking, like most people, man, at a young age, just being in the kitchen, man, around your moms, your grandmoms, watching them do their thing, helping them out. And it became something I really like to do. That's kind of how I got started cooking, just cooking in general, just regular food and stuff. And that kind of transitioned into, you know, what I'm doing now.